When we talk about circle, we have three main dimensions. The first one is diameter with yellow. That means a distance from the edge of the circle to the opposite edge of the circle. So this line in yellow. We have another one, radius, that is half of diameter, or distance from center of the circle to the edge of the circle. And the third one is circumference, and has this formula 2p radius. That means 2 multiplied with p multiplied with radius, where p is 3.14, and circumference means the length of the circle. In order to draw circle, we have to go to Home menu. In Draw tab, we find Circle. Now, if we come on this small triangle, we will find many options to draw circles. So let's take all them in a row. Now, the first one is center radius. That means from point 1 to point 2 is the radius. Let's select it. Select the center of the circle. And we can input the length of the radius, like 20. Press enter, and we have the circle. Now the second option is center diameter. That means from center, a double distance. Now we select the center, the same center. And as you can see, if I get with my mouse cursor to the edge of the circle, it's just a half in size, so I will have to go double with this. And if I will type 40, that will be at the same size. So the first one has the radius 20, the second has the diameter 40, which is the same. When I draw the first one, select center, as you can see my mouse cursor is all the time on the edge of the circle. When I work with the second one, center diameter, selecting the same center, you will see that my mouse cursor is not on the edge, but is going further and further from the edge of the circle. Let's explore further the circle. We have option 2 points. Click on that, select the first point and the second point. Now the third point, I have 1 point, I may have this point, and I have this point. Now let's explore back 2 points. As you can see here, 1 and 2, 3 points. So there will be 3 points somewhere on the circle. Going further to explore circle options, we have another with tangent. Tangent, tangent and radius. Very easy. We will have to have on in the snap cursor, tangent option has to be checked. So let's go back, tangent, tangent, radius. Tangent, as you can see, tangent to the second one, and we'll have to choose a radius. Let's suppose 15. And the third option is tangent, tangent, tangent. Tangent, tangent, and tangent to the circle. If we want to draw circle, we can simply type C, press enter, and down in the bar we have 3 points and 2 points, or tangent, tangent, radius. 3 points means up in the Home menu, Draw panel, circle, that's 3 points, 2 points, and tangent, tangent, radius come down here. So let's specify the center. Let's ignore the option we have down in the bar. And I get another option, diameter. So I can shift from radius, which is now, as you can see, mouse cursor is on the edge of the circle. And if I want, I can type D and I will switch to diameter. Once more again, type C, press enter. Let's suppose we want to draw a 3-point circle. We type 3P, press enter, select the first point, the second and the third. As you can see, the size will be determined of the third point. Let's go further. Type C, press enter, choose this time 2P, press enter, specify the first point and the second point of the circle. The third option is type C, press enter, type T from tangent, tangent radius, specify the first tangent, the second tangent, and a radius. Let's say 25. And we've got that circle. So that was about circle. Don't forget to subscribe and share.